Good morning, students. You will submit your project in my e-portal. First, I upload the topic in the project topic in my e-portal, and then you will submit your project there. Okay? And all of you first mute your microphone and camera also. And am I audible to you? Don't mute anyone. All of you first mute your microphone. Devasmita, first cut the call and they are then rejoin. Okay? Indakshi also. Am I visible to you? Okay, so let's start. Now your EVS class and page number 96, all of you open page number 96, EVS book, page number 96. Okay. Okay. So in the last class we have completed that the surface of the earth and Riddhi, all is here, okay. First you cut the call and then rejoin, okay. And caring for our earth, okay. How we care our earth? The earth looks after us and we must also take care of it. We should conserve water, wood and paper, and we should follow the rules. You will do your EVS project in your scrapbook or in your copy, okay. Lisa, can you understand? You can do it in your copy or in your scrapbook also, anywhere. So next, caring of our earth. The earth looks after us and we must also care of it. We should conserve water, wood and paper. And we should follow, first mute your microphone, and we should conserve wood, paper and water, and we should follow the rules of 3R, that is reduce, reuse and recycle. Okay. So first one, here are some ways to save our earth. Ma'am, I can do it. Yes, you can do this project in your art paper also. Okay. Reduce pollution. Number one, here are some ways to save our earth. That is first one, reduce pollution. Number one, reduce, R-E-D-U-C-E, reduce pollution. Okay. So reduce pollution. What is reduce pollution? Do not play loud music, say no to crackers, and plant more. Okay, plant more trees. So number 1, here are some ways to save our earth, that is reduce pollution. Number 1, do not play loud music. Do not play loud music, say no to crackers, and plant more trees. Number 1, that is do not play loud music. Okay, number 1. Page number 96, Ankita. Page number 96. Number 2, say no to crackers. C-R-A-K-E-R-S. Okay, say no to crackers. And number 3, plant more trees. Okay, so no, not copy work. Okay, first I explain this topic and then we will do all completed our question answer. Okay, so number 3, that is plant more trees. Okay, so reduce pollution. How? Number 1, do not play loud music, say no to crackers, and plant more trees. Next, number 2, that is reuse things. So next, that is reuse things. So reuse things, number 1. What is this reuse things? Use kitchen water in the garden. Okay, number 1, use kitchen water in the garden. Number 2, give old toys and books to the needy. And number 3, use one-side printed paper for rough work. Okay, use one-side printed paper for rough work. Okay. Indra, what is this? So number 2, that is reuse thing. Number 1, use kitchen water, KITCHEN, use kitchen water in the garden. Okay, use kitchen water in the garden. Number 2, give old toys and books to the needy. Number 2, give old toys and books to the needy. Okay, and number 3, all of you first mute your microphone. All of you mute your microphone. Students, all of you mute your microphone. And number 3, use one side printed paper for the rough work. Okay, use one side, one side printed paper, PRINTED, printed paper for rough use. Okay, and next, that is recycle waste. Number 3, that is recycle waste. Recycle number 1, recycle waste. Say no to plastic bags. Number 2, conserve woods. And number 3, make unusable things from waste. Okay, make usable things from the waste or for the unusable material. Okay, so number 1, say no to plastic bags. Number 2, conserve wood, that is conserve wood. And number 3, that is make usable things from waste. Number 3, make usable things from waste. Okay, so that is the process, some ways or some process to save our earth. So number 1, reduce cycle, do not play loud music. Number 2, say no to crackers. Say no to crackers and plant more trees. Okay, and number 2, that is reuse. Yes, very good, Lisa. Reuse things, that is use kitchen water in the garden. Number 2, give old toys and books to the needy. Give old toys and book to the needy and use one side printed paper for rough use. And number 3, that is recycle waste. Recycle waste, say no to plastic bags. Say no to plastic bags. Conserve wood, make usable things from waste. Okay, and next we must keep green and beautiful to make our beauty. We must keep our earth green and beautiful. Okay, and we must thank the earth for giving us a beautiful place to live. Okay, so we must keep our earth green and beautiful, and we must thank the earth for giving us a beautiful place. Okay, next I repeat again. Caring for our earth, that is, the earth looks after us, and we must also take care this earth. And here some ways to save our earth, that is reduce pollution, reuse things, and recycle waste materials. Okay. Can you see the board properly? Okay, Kaushik completed, very good. Okay, Devapriya, here all is okay. First cut the column, then rejoin. Okay. And that is the process. Do not play loud music, say no to crackers, and plant more trees. If you will complete your project, then you will submit in my e-portal. Okay. Okay. So now today's time is over, and who are present, response P, and don't leave the call.